The Force. The Force is what gives a Jedi his power. It's an energy field created by all living things. It surrounds us, penetrates us, it binds the galaxy together. May the Force be with you. Combat training has begun. Feel the Force around you. I sense a disturbance in the Force. You have found a holocron. You shall find where all remains to be discovered.
Be the most powerful Jedi in the galaxy with the new Star Wars Screen Saber. Battle with sounds like Chewbacca and TIE fighters. Or record your own battle cry. The sounds of the galaxy are in your hands with the new Star Wars Screen Saber lightsaber. It's sold separately.
Star Wars Blade Builders, the Force is calling to you. Which side will you choose? Connect to the light side with Blue Jedi mode and lead the rebellion. Or activate Red Sith mode and give in to the dark side. The power to unlock the Force is in your hands. Which side will you choose? Star Wars Path of the Force lightsaber, Jedi or Sith, works with the entire Bleed Builder system. Sold separately. Batteries not included.
It's the Star Wars Chewbacca electronic mask from Hasbro. Go on your own galactic adventure as everybody's favorite Wookiee, Chewbacca. The iconic styling of this mask lets you speak and roar as Chewbacca like never before. Kids can place the mask on their face, then move their chin to activate the realistic Wookiee sounds. The wider they open their mouth, the louder their roar gets. It's the Star Wars Chewbacca electronic mask from Hasbro.